What's up, peeps? So you probably saw that we did something with the garage. Well, in the same trip to Nebraska Furniture Mart, Miss Thing over here found a table.
You know what? You're always complaining about counter space, and you don't have any, and yet you complain because I'm trying to fix it.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So today, what you see here is going away. So stick around for that as we begin the demolition of the Dinettes.
And don't do anything yet. Not yet.
Alright. One thing we forgot, and we've been riding so many times, is the RV is made with the square bits. So let us go get the square bits. Now, being that someone in the future, when we sell this, might want these, we'll go ahead and save these on the streets.
What's up, peeps?
What's going on, man?
So we wanted to interrupt the, regularly
Scheduled program.
Okay, so starting over. Hey, peeps!
What's cracking?
We wanted to interrupt the video in order to kind of talk about why we did this. Yeah, we talk all the commentary at the beginning, but that's for your benefit and my own, because, that's what I do. But if you remember back to our 3 likes and 3 dislikes about our RV, I believe one of the items that we talked about was the dinette. My personal opinion alone, is the dinette is great for like weekend warriors or getting the RV out every now and then. But to me, when it's just the 2 of us, it's kind of almost a waste of space, because we never used the bench on the far side of the dinette unless we had a crowd of people coming over. So like. I think the only people that have really sat there is probably my nieces, and then also with the
Texas
girls.
Family Camping.
Texas Family Camping. But that's why.
Not to put a shout out to them, but if you don't know who they are, you better correct that immediately.
Yes. So that's kind of why, from my opinion, we did it. And what is your opinion? Because I saw it and I loved it.
Yeah, I wasn't going to argue with it. I mean, I agree with her. The dinettes are usually perfect for like weekend warriors when you got the family and stuff together. But I mean, for full time, it's just her and I like 95% of the time. And if we have people over, most of the time we're sitting outside because, you know, we set up the outdoor kitchen, we cook, we hang out, and it's just a lot better outside. So this for us was a no-brainer and so much more. Let me digress. It can be utilized so much more for what our needs are.
Right. We do have a bench on the
yeah, something you didn't see in the video
on the further side
that you're not going to see in the video because we forgot to, you know, record that part. But we do have a full bench that's on the other side. That way that it can be turned away from in the opposite direction, so it can go east to west instead of north to south. And the bench will be there for anyone else that joins us, and if, you know, for some reason we have to be inside, or if the kids are there, so we can pull it out. So it's very useful and can be set up in so many different ways and utilized so many ways, and it gives me more space when I cook. So score bonus.
Yep.
So again, we apologize for not videotaping as we are carrying this in, because actually you would have gotten a good laugh. But this is it set up. We've actually ordered some cabinetry we're going to put on the sides of it for some storage and whatnot. But we thought it'd be perfect for a breakfast area, dinette, dinner, sitting by the lake. With all the windows, you'll be able to see everything around you. So yeah, it worked out pretty good.